Guys, ClickUp is so powerful that it actually allows you to import tasks from different apps. And I'm talking about other apps or tools such as Asana, such as Confluence, Jira, Monday.com, Notion, Slack, Todoist, Trello, and even Reek. And I'm going to show you where you can find these settings and how you can actually do it. So let's dive right in. So all you have to do once you're inside ClickUp, guys, is to click your account on the upper right and click on the settings. Now on the left hand side, you want to go down to where it shows import, export. And here you can import and export. So you can import or export spreadsheet documents and have a look at this. All of this list of different apps that you can import from. Amazing, right? So if you have, for example, a Monday.com account or you have a Asana account, you can easily go ahead and import from that. If you have Slack as well, you can import from that. If you have Trello, you can do the same. It's really cool. So let's say I have something in Trello, click on Trello, and you can see it's going to pop right up and it's going to scroll down. You will need to log in and kind of follow the steps to import directly from that. And it's pretty straightforward, guys. It's pretty straightforward. That's all that you have to do. Really, really, it's amazing, right? So there you have it, guys. It's super interesting, right? And so super powerful that you can work with different collaboration tool and import different tasks from them right into ClickUp. Right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.